Welcome to this video on Scrum roles that drive requirements and prioritization. After watching this video, you will be able to identify the 4 roles in Scrum that drive requirements and prioritization, explain the ways the roles work together in successful Agile projects. An Agile team doesn't work in isolation. It relies on different people contributing in specific ways. Each team member has a role that helps shape priorities and guide the work. In Scrum, 4 key roles influence task prioritization: customers, end users, key stakeholders, and the development team. These roles all work with the product owner to deliver a product that creates value for all parties. Let's examine each role. Customers play a key role in working with the product owner to deliver a product. They are the ones funding the project and care most about the overall benefits the product provides. While they don't usually take part in day-to-day work, they are deeply invested in the final result. They stay involved by joining sprint reviews, testing the product, and giving feedback in both formal and informal ways to help shape the product backlog. Another important role that works closely with product owners is that of end users. These are the people who will actually use the finished product. Their input, both at the start and throughout development, is key to making sure the product meets their needs and delivers real value. End users help by testing features, joining sprint reviews, and giving feedback in both formal and informal ways. Their insights guide the team in improving each version of the product. Product owners also work with key stakeholders. They are people with a strong interest in the product's success. This group can include executives, department leaders, or external partners, whether or not they directly use the product. Key stakeholders help set the initial direction by providing strategic goals and requirements. They stay in touch with the Scrum team to share updates and changes. They also help manage challenges by communicating constraints and addressing risks throughout the project. The development team's role in working with the product owner is to identify any technological dependencies that might arise throughout the course of the project. They also identify issues and risks as they come up. They alert the product owner if either of these affects the prioritization of the product backlog. These 4 roles work with the product owner, who acts as the central figure, building the bridge between the customers, end users, key stakeholders, and the development team. The product owner works on resources to deliver several key responsibilities of the role, including defining and managing the product backlog. The product owner collates and analyzes all of the inputs from the various roles and drives the prioritization of the items in the product backlog. They are also responsible for stakeholder communication. By defining and managing the communication plan, the product owner ensures that all roles are informed and can provide feedback through various communication channels, including formal and informal, over the entire life cycle of the project. Another key responsibility is delivering value. The product owner works to review and accept the increments and final product with all involved parties, ensuring the delivered product meets the definition of done and the acceptance criteria. Strong collaboration and continuous feedback drive the success of the Scrum team and the Agile project. The product owner connects all parties, while the Scrum Master supports the team and ensures Agile principles are followed. Together, they help the team focus on delivering the most valuable work. As needs change, the product owner updates requirements to keep the product aligned with user and stakeholder needs. The product owner plays a central role in Agile success by connecting customers, end users, key stakeholders, and the development team. They manage the product backlog, gathering input from all parties to prioritize tasks effectively. By facilitating communication, they ensure everyone stays informed and engaged throughout the project. Their role also involves reviewing and accepting product increments, making sure the final product meets requirements and delivers value. As needs change, the product owner adapts priorities to keep the product aligned with user and stakeholder expectations. Strong collaboration makes this process successful. In this video, you learned that the product owner drives prioritization and success by coordinating the efforts of customers, end users, key stakeholders, and the development team. The product owner serves as the central link between all parties, managing the product backlog and prioritizing tasks based on input from stakeholders. The product owner ensures all roles stay informed and engaged throughout the project through effective communication. The product owner reviews and approves product increments to ensure they meet requirements, deliver value, and align with business and user needs. Continuous collaboration and feedback help the product owner adapt priorities, keeping the product aligned with changing requirements.